How to boil lasagna noodles. Lasagna is always delicious and sure to win over the crowd at dinner tables everywhere. It is a challenging dish, so you might need add some new skills to your arsenal. Some of these are in the prep, which includes boiling the lasagna noodles. Once you can do this, you've taken a step towards making a satisfying lasagna. Boiling the noodles. Bring water to a boil. Fill a large pot with a good amount of water. Be careful not to overfill it though, as the water could end up boiling over. Make sure the water is boiling before moving on to the next step. Don't forget to add a dash of salt. Add lasagna noodles to the water. Firstly, check your recipe to see how much lasagna noodles are needed. You might find yourself with leftovers. Have your wooden spoon ready as you need to start the next step instantly. Take care when dropping your noodles into the pot. Otherwise, you could get splashed by boiling water. Stir continuously for the first 2 minutes. Lasagna noodles are large and flat, lending themselves towards sticking together. The first 2 minutes is crucial, if you want to avoid being left with clumps of noodles. Not stirring could result in the noodles sticking to the bottom of the pot. Separate the lasagna noodles effectively by using a chopstick. Don't let the water boil over. After you've added the lasagna noodles, you will notice the water simmering. When it returns to a boil, adjust the element to keep the water boiling consistently. This should help to prevent the water spilling out. Stay attentive as this could occur later in the process too. Using a lid is more likely to cause a boil over. Covering the pot will trap steam, causing starch molecules to overheat. Stir the pot 2 or 3 more times. Now that the water is boiling, the lasagna noodles should stay spaced apart. Don't risk them sticking together or sinking to the bottom, so return to the element and stir a few more times. If noodles are heating too close together, they won't release starch properly. The starch can turn to glue, leaving you with unusable lasagna noodles.